All right, today I have the Jikasho vacuum magnet phone holder. This right here is a magnet phone holder. You could do it mounted onto something. And this right here it comes with a washable gel base on it. So it's the black one. They also have a white variety, but I did not get that. I have the black variety. This is the vacuum magnetic phone holder right here. It says magnetic attraction, one hand operation, and 360-degree rotation. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up, but before I open it up, I'll show you on the back what it shows. It says, firmly press the base of the mount. Make sure it fits the surface completely. So it's showing right here. So don't use any, I don't know if they'll be able to do it to this because this has a texture to it. May not be able to get there. May not. It says rotate the vacuum lock clockwise to secure it. And then it says rotate the vacuum lock counterclockwise and pull up the mount to remove it. And it says when you're ready to rinse it, it says rinse the base to restore the stickiness. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Inside, there's nothing in the box. And right here, I think this is, I don't know what these blue things are, but they look pretty cool. Set them to the sides. I think those are some magnetic mounts that you use. Or say, for instance, this has a texture to it. If I put this down right here, it looks like that this is stick to it right here. So once it sticks to it, I can put the mount onto this and it would adhere to this. And so all part of the support system. Here are I believe this is some instructions. It's in Espon French. I believe it shows you how to do it exactly. Remember to read all this before you precisely do it. I'll just run through it before I get into sticking. It says magnetic area, adjustable pivot. So that's a magnetic area. Adjustable pivot, locking knob, suction cup, water washable adhesive. It says clean the surface. Okay, peel off the protective coating. Attach. Mount. Okay, so it's showing right there. So there's a metal ring. So that metal ring thing that I was showing you, this is, I believe, what does it say? Oh, to install metal ring. Please do not attach the ring to silicone, leather, or uneven phone cases. Attaching the ring inside of your case is not recommended, as it may reduce the magnetic attraction. So it's saying to put this on the outside to keep the magnetic attraction. I think that my phone has enough magnetic attraction that I may not have to use one of these. Talks about the reusable gel suction base. It says the gel-based suction cup can be washed using water or mild detergent to restore its adhesive properties when grip strength diminishes. So that's what it's for. On the back, it's just in French Espanol. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So inside there are some wipes. These are for cleaning of the surface, it appears. Right here it says caution. It's an antimicrobial antiseptic, nanoactive agent, anti-static agent. So it's all of that. So cleaning off the surface. I don't know, I need antiseptic. You can get off, probably just use some alcohol, but they chose to do that. Pull it out. And so here it is. I'm not going to take the sticker off quite yet, but I will. But this is the gel. See, it's kind of gooey. And then this right here is the mount that they're talking about. So I'm going to loosen it up. Tighten it down so it says, there it is. So go that way. It locks it. Go that way. Loosens it, I believe. Something like that. Yep. So there you have it. Right here. You stick the phone. This is the phone. you can use this. So this is the mount. You can do it on the dashboard. You can do it perhaps on the windshield. You name it. Pretty cool tool to have right here. This is the mount. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.